Hello, my name is Tom Caldwell and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're going to go into part 2 of a two-part series entitled 20 Ways to Increase Views on Your YouTube Videos. So let's get right into it. We're here again on my website, tomcaldwellonline.com, and we're going to go to this blog post right here, 20 proven ways to increase views on your YouTube videos. All right, in the previous video, we covered 1 through 10, and I will leave a link for the video number 1 in the description below, and make a playlist for these two videos so that you can review them anytime you need to make reference to it. Okay, so here we go. Tip number 11, use guest YouTubers. Contact YouTubers who have complementary channels and ask them to collaborate with you. You promote their channel in one or more of your videos, and they'll do the same for you. For instance, if your niche is dog training or dog grooming, you could contact channel owners whose niche is dog training or dog treats. I hope you see how the relationship there. So, of course, you wouldn't want to approach your competitors, but you can always approach YouTubers who have complementary channels to what you're in your niche. Step number 12, be engaging with your viewer comments. This is something that I see quite often, that YouTubers post videos, but they never respond to any of their comments. Some of them even have their comments turned off. So this is not very engaging, and we all know that YouTube grades our channel by engagement. So number 12, be engaged with your viewer comments. Spend the first 2 hours after you publish a video responding to comments, and in the future, revisit comments from time to time and address those comments as well. A word of warning, you may experience trolls who leave mean and inappropriate comments. I'm sorry to say, but it comes with the territory. You have to just develop a thick skin, and just remember, a negative comment or a thumbs down is all the same to YouTube and helps establish engagement, and engagement helps get your videos suggested to more people. Oh, went too far. Let's back up a little bit. Tip number 13, link to your video channel or individual videos in your social media profile descriptions. That's something that oftentimes is overlooked. We all are probably aware that we need to share our YouTube videos on social media in our posts, but we don't often think about linking to our YouTube channel or YouTube videos in the profile description of our social media. So keep that in mind. Step number 14, share your videos in niche-related communities and social bookmarking sites, such as Pinterest, StumbleUpon, Twitter, and Reddit. And one way you can do that, let's see if I can go to my browser and I'll show you how to do that, or how to find related niche forums. Okay, so let's say, let's use the same example that we had earlier, that your niche is dog grooming. So what you would do is, in your browser, you would key in, well, let's do it in the search bar. Dog, G-R-O, grooming, plus forum. Hit the enter button. And right away you'll see several suggestions on forums that you can visit, and of course you have to go by the rules of each forum, and they all have different forums. So you have to abide by the rules, but share your videos there as often as you can. And this will get you views to your YouTube videos. Tip number 15, install a subscribe button on your blog or website. And in this blog post at my website, I linked to the instructions for installing a YouTube submission button on your website. Step number 16, use giveaways within your video to encourage viewer engagement. Include the details in of your giveaway in the description as well as in your video, and just be careful and obey by all YouTube rules. You can also post on social media about your YouTube giveaways and encourage people to watch your video for details. Tip number 17, do more of what works. The website wholewhale.com suggests, and I quote, you can tell in the YouTube analytics where your traffic is coming from. Say, for instance, that Twitter is sending you great traffic to your YouTube playlist. Maybe you can reach out to the person who shared it, or you can just double down on your efforts and promote your videos on your channel, or make more playlists. Step number 18, promote your videos on YouTube search ads. YouTube ads require money, so this is not for everyone. However, it is best to begin to run ads as soon as your budget allows. Once your YouTube channel has grown enough to start earning ad revenue, consider investing a portion of your ad revenue to promote your channel. This practice will pay dividends and grow your channel much faster. When you are ready to when you are ready to begin placing ads, I suggest that you hire a professional rather than waste time and money trying to run the ad campaigns yourself. Contact either Neil Patel or Antoine Dupont, and in my blog post I have links to their contacts, because these two guys are the best in the industry. You will thank yourself for getting a professional rather than trying to do it yourself, I guarantee you. Step number 19, make your videos emotional on some level. Do your best to connect with your viewers on an emotional level. They need to feel so much that they say, oh my gosh, that made such an impact on me that I want to share it. Also, don't be afraid to embrace shock value. Shock value is defined by Wikipedia as the potential of an image, action, or another form of communication that provides a reaction of sharp disgust, shock, anger, fear, and similar negative emotions. Shock value is not 100% needed, but it certainly helps. So if you can determine a way to use shock value in your videos, you can get extra views that way. And the last tip I have for you is number 20, and above all, be patient. We all have to bear in mind as we build our YouTube channels that not very few successful YouTube channels shot to the #1 position in their niche overnight. It takes time. You've got to put in the work, And you've got to be patient and let the algorithm work for you in your favor. So in conclusion, I'd like to say, as you can see, increasing views on your video is work. Research reveals that 80% of your time should be spent promoting your videos and 20% of your time creating videos. Now, I know this is contrary to conventional wisdom, which you've probably always heard, is that you should make videos every day. But you keep in mind, crappy videos posted every day will not help your channel. It is a better best practice to make fewer videos, make higher quality videos, and do more promotion to increase your views on those videos. So the point, the final thought is action is the key to increasing views and building a successful and profitable YouTube channel. So it's time for you to get out there and put into action. Where's my hand on that screen? Sorry. So get out there and put in the action. Take action on the things that you've learned in this blog post. And one more thing before you go, do me a favor and visit my YouTube channel. If you're watching this video, you're already on my YouTube channel. So if you found value in this video, please give me a like or a comment, a share, and of course, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell notification so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video, and I sure would appreciate it if you could do this for me. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.